20 plus hidden signs. You're not financially stable, and most people miss these. Think you're doing okay with your money? You might be surprised. Financial instability isn't always obvious. It doesn't always mean you're drowning in debt or living on the street. In fact, many financially unstable people appear to be doing just fine until life throws a curveball. This video is going to uncover over 20 clear warning signs that you are not financially stable, even if everything looks normal on the surface. Stick around, because one of the most overlooked signs near the end could be the exact reason you're always feeling stuck, even when you're earning decent money. Number 1. You live paycheck to paycheck if your paycheck disappears within days or even hours of hitting your account. That's a massive warning sign. Living paycheck to paycheck means you're operating without a buffer. It shows that you have no room for error. Example, let's say you earn $3,500 every month, but by the 25th, your account balance is almost zero. You're waiting anxiously for your next paycheck just to cover basic needs like rent and groceries. That is not financial stability. It's financial survival. Number 2, you have no emergency. Fund an emergency fund is what stands between you and disaster. Without it, a single unexpected event, a job loss, a medical bill, or a car repair, can destroy your finances. Financially stable people always have a backup plan. Example, if your essential monthly expenses, like housing, food, and bills, add up to $2,000, then you should aim for at least $6,000 saved in a separate emergency account. Without that, you're just one crisis away from debt or desperation. Number 3, you rely on credit cards for essentials. Using credit cards for travel or rewards is fine if you pay them off every month. But if you're using them to buy groceries or pay for gas because your checking account is empty, that's a serious red flag. Example, you swipe your credit card for $200 of groceries and only manage to pay $25 toward the balance. That remaining debt keeps growing, and you pay interest on food you already ate. Number 4, you don't know where your money goes. If you're not tracking your expenses, it's almost guaranteed that you're overspending. Financial stability requires awareness. You need to know where every dollar goes. Example, you think you spend modestly, but once you track your spending, you find out you've spent $350 just on coffee and takeout last month. Money that could have gone towards savings or debt repayment. Number 5, you have no budget or financial plan. A budget is not a punishment. It's a strategy. Without one, you're basically guessing your way through every month. You'll never reach long-term goals if you don't know what's coming in and going out. Example, you make $4,000 a month, but have no idea how much you're spending on subscriptions, entertainment, or shopping. A budget gives you control and direction. Number 6, you only make minimum payments on credit cards. Paying just the minimum may seem like you're staying on top of things, but in reality, it means you're allowing interest to eat away at your future. Example, if you owe $1,500 on a credit card with a 20% interest rate and pay only the minimum of $40 per month, it will take you over 5 years to pay off, and you'll pay hundreds of dollars in interest. Number 7, you don't have insurance or avoid paying for it. Skipping insurance to save money might seem smart until something goes wrong. Financially stable people understand that insurance protects their money and peace of mind. Example, a simple emergency room visit for a broken ankle could cost you over $10,000 without insurance. That bill could crush someone without a financial cushion. Number 8, you often borrow from friends or family. Asking for financial help occasionally is okay. But if you find yourself constantly turning to others to cover your bills or emergencies, you're not financially independent. Example, if you've borrowed $100 from a friend 3 months in a row to get through the end of the month, that shows a serious issue in cash flow management. Number 9. You avoid looking at your bank account. If checking your balance gives you anxiety, or you purposely avoid opening your banking app, that's your mind telling you something isn't right. Example: you get a text alert that your account is low, and instead of checking it, you ignore it because you're scared of what you'll see. That avoidance leads to more mistakes and more overdrafts. Number 10. You have zero saved for retirement. Even if you're young, not having any retirement savings is a mistake. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow over time. Every year you wait, you lose the power of compound interest. Example: investing just $150 per month starting at age 25 could grow to over $300,000 by age 65, thanks to compound growth. But starting at age 40, you'd need to invest nearly double that to catch up. Number 11. Your debt keeps growing if your credit card balances, personal loans, or payday loans are increasing every month. Your lifestyle costs more than you can afford. That's unsustainable. Example: you pay $200 on your credit card but spend $500 more that same month. That's going backward, not forward. Number 12. You use payday loans or cash advances. These are some of the most dangerous financial tools out there. They come with sky-high interest rates that trap you in a vicious cycle of borrowing. Example: a $500 payday loan might come with $80 in fees and interest in just 2 weeks. If you can't repay it, you roll it over, and now you owe even more. Number 13. You don't know your net worth. Your net worth is everything you own minus everything you owe. If you have no idea what that number is, you don't know where you stand financially. Example: you have $2,000 in savings, but owe $5,000 on a credit card and $10,000 on a car loan. That means your net worth is negative $13,000. It's better to know than to guess. Number 14. You can't handle a small emergency, a single car repair. Medical bill or missed paycheck should not derail your entire financial life. If it would, that means you're too close to the edge. Example: your tire blows out and the repair is $250. If you need to put it on a credit card or borrow from a friend, you're not financially stable. Number 15. Your job feels like a financial lifeline. If you stay in a toxic job or avoid taking time off because you can't afford to miss a paycheck, it means your finances are running your life. Example: you want to look for a better job but can't afford to miss even one paycheck. That's a sign you're stuck, not stable. Number 16. You only have one source of income. Relying solely on one income stream puts you at risk. If it dries up, you're instantly in trouble. Financially stable people often diversify their income. Example: adding a side hustle that brings in even $300 a month can be a game changer. That's money you can use to save, invest, or pay down debt. Number 17. You avoid financial conversations. If talking about money makes you uncomfortable, or you avoid discussing bills, debt, or budgeting with your partner or friends, that's a mental block. Example: you and your spouse never talk about money, even though you're both stressed about it. That silence keeps you stuck. Number 18. You spend to impress others. Buying expensive clothes, gadgets, or cars to look good in front of others often leaves your savings empty. Stable finances don't need validation from others. Example: you lease a luxury car for $600 per month just to keep up appearances, while your emergency fund is at zero. Number 19. You skip health or dental care due to cost avoiding regular checkups or dental cleanings because of cost can backfire. You might save now but pay thousands more later. Example: skipping a $100 dental visit today could lead to a $2,000 root canal next year. Number 20. You constantly overdraft your bank account. If you're regularly getting hit with overdraft fees, it means you're not tracking your balance and you're spending more than you earn. Example: 3 overdraft charges of $35 each in 1 month means you just lost $105 for absolutely nothing. Number 21. You don't set any financial goals. Without goals, you're drifting. Stable people aim to pay off debt, build savings, invest, or buy a home. Without that direction, money gets wasted. Example: instead of saving, with a purpose, you spend extra income on random things, like gadgets or clothes, and wonder why nothing improves. Number 22. You blow every bonus or refund. Instantly a bonus, tax refund, or financial gift is your opportunity to get ahead. If it disappears in a weekend, you're living in the moment, not planning for your future. Example: you get a $200 tax refund and immediately use it for a vacation, even though your emergency fund is still empty. Number 23. You compare your life to others, trying to keep up with social media lifestyles or friends who earn more leads to unnecessary spending and emotional stress. Example: you see a friend post photos from a tropical vacation, so you book one too, even though you're in credit card debt. That's not freedom. That's pressure. Number 24. You don't have a will or estate plan. Even if you're young or don't own much, a basic will is still part of being financially responsible. It ensures your money and belongings go where they should. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward change. Financial stability doesn't happen overnight, but every small improvement matters. Which one of these signs hit you the hardest? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know how many of us are facing the same battles.